sunshine and sparkles. And before we get started, why don't you go ahead and subscribe here to my channel and then click on that bell notification to be notified every single time I post another video. I want you guys to make sure that you stick around because our video sponsors today has a really good surprise for you. So stick around to learn a little bit more. This is the wig that they sent me, and I will say, you guys know that I don't like doing a whole bunch of work, but this lace literally changes the game entirely. Okay, you could just see there on the screen the 3 different types of lace, and in this case we are dealing with clear transparent lace, and it makes a huge difference. Okay, a huge difference. So if you need to rewind it a little bit so you can see exactly how it turns out, so you can see the difference between regular brown lace, regular transparent lace, and this clear lace. Clear lace is on a whole another level. Okay, so it went on with ease. The hairline is already, you know, tweezed. It's pre-plucked. The knots were bleached. I had to do absolutely nothing with this clear lace. So I want you guys to know that they're having a Black Friday sale, and when you use the link in the description box below, you get a 20% off discount on the base price. So that's about around what, like $70 USD off your price, off the bottom price, about 70 bucks off. You cannot beat that. All right, so make sure you guys check the links in the description box below and get your orders in by November 26th. Okay, because if your orders are not in by this time, you will miss out. So make sure, like I said, you check the links in the description box below to take advantage. Now, this first initial time, I was cleaning up and stuff. I was doing too much stuff around the house as I was putting the lace on, so some of the got to be glued dried a little bit too much. So I just came back another day and reapplied, and that's what you will see at the very end. But this hair is absolutely amazing. It was so forgiving, and the lace was even more forgiving. Make sure that you guys stick around to the very end so you can see the difference. This is a janky little version, and then when you stick around to the very end, you get to see how it turns out when I actually went ahead, took a shower, or washed the wig all over again, defined the curls a little bit, and then play with it. You guys remember to check the links in the description box below to take advantage of their Black Friday sale, 20% off. Like I said, about $70 off of their base price. You cannot miss out. And let me tell you something, this wig is worth every penny. Okay. Oh yeah, I forgot to mention something else. After you place your order, you can win free gifts or big coupons with their lucky wheel on their website. So make sure you head over there to the link in the description box below, and once again, stick around to the very end because this is going to be on 2 separate days. So I guess this will be like the janky version and then the actual good version. Okay, make sure you stick around because this wig is absolute life, and you get so many great things from this one. So check it out, let me know what you think, and tell them that Sendow sent you.
Yeah.